In this video, I'm going to show you in which cases the usage of Mekko charts can be helpful and how you can work with them. Mekko charts are particularly suitable to illustrate a numerical value depending on at least two dimensions. A distinction is made between two variants. Firstly, the Marimekko, and secondly, the Mekko. The Marimekko chart is to be understood as a two-axis stacked bar chart in which both axes represent 100%. In this example, I have three companies and I want to visualize the differences of the total sale values, which are shown as the width of each column, and at the same time I want to display the percentages of the sales volumes in different regions. So the usage of the Marimekko chart allows the viewer to quickly understand the different values that depend on two dimensions via the visualized areas. So you could, for example, see right here that the sales of company A in region B are much bigger than even the total sales of company B and C. The adjustment of Mekko charts basically works the same way as other charts. So you can see the same action bar above our chart with all the different menus that we created separate videos on, where you can find further information on those menus. Let's take a quick look at the mini Excel of this chart. The additional width row determines the relative width of the individual columns. The normal case while working with a Mekko chart would be that the width of the chart represents the sum of the different values of the respective column. In this case, the sales volumes of one company in all of the regions. In special cases, when the width should not represent the sum, you could also override this and define the width the way you want. The Mekko works quite similar. The only difference to the Marimekko chart is that the axes do not represent 100%. In this example, I have three companies and want to display the sales volumes of each of them and simultaneously show the respective number of store locations, which is visualized as the width of the columns. This makes it easy to see that although company C has more stores than company B, it makes lower sales. So I hope this video gave you a quick insight on the use cases of Mekko charts. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.